Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. So we're going to dive right in. Today we are going to show you how to make a jewelry box. We're going to hack a candy box and we're going to show you how you can store your jewelry in that box. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. And we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi my YouTube friends, as indicated, we are going to create a simplistic jewelry box. We're going to need this candy can. They sometimes come in the cardboard boxes, the candy does, but today I am lucky enough to have a can and we're going to use it for a jewelry holder. I'm going to also think about using the spray paint here. So let's look about constructing this where it is usable and beautiful. I think you'll like it, so stick around. We are going to create a jewelry container out of a candy box. So I have a regular candy box here, but what I really like about it is because it's made of metal. I like that, and I also like that it has a lid that you can raise and lower, and when you close it, it kind of snaps, so it secures whatever you put inside of it. And I thought, there is no way I'm throwing this can in the trash. After all the wonderful candy was eaten, then of course, you know, I was trying to figure out what I could use this thing for, and jewelry storage is perfect for this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to dismantle the things that come inside, like this paper and the plastic container that the candy sits in. And this paper, I'm going to use these because I think it's going to be great, and I'm going to spray paint it with this high gloss spray paint. I think this is going to work perfect for what I'm trying to do. I'm going to spray paint this, and I'm going to spray paint the candy holder, the liner. Now, the actual can is so cute that I almost don't want to do anything to it. I started to do something right here where the name is. I still might do something with that, but we'll have to see. So let me get this spray painting done, okay? All right, now that we've got all of the pieces painted, we are going to work on the outside of this candy can. I told you that I was a little skeptical about covering up the name, but I think I'm going to do so, and this is what I'm going to use. I have these great little glass jewels that I want to glue on the top, and I think it'll be perfect. It'll be the added touch that I need to make this look amazing. So here we go. We're gonna glue it on, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can do it however you wish, but that's what I'm gonna do. So now that we have every glass jewel in place, I think we are ready to start loading our jewelry box. So I've decorated it so that we've covered up the name, and it looks fabulous. I did not realize I was gonna like this so much. I think it turned out great. I like the way the glass jewels lie nicely on that, and the elegance that it brings to the actual candy can. So now we're ready to load it up with our jewelry. As I stated earlier, I like how this container opens and closes. In addition to that, I forgot to mention earlier, don't forget to clean your can out, wipe it down from any residue left over from the chocolate candy. I mean, I love the way chocolate smells, but I don't think I want my jewelry to smell that way. Anyway, wipe it down really well and then start your process. But now we're ready to go ahead and start putting things inside. So I'm going to take the container and I'm going to place them back inside the can. And this part, it sort of snaps in, so it acts like that's a security measure, so it doesn't come out. It snaps right under the lip of that inner part of the can. So therefore, this won't pop out. So now we're going to store our jewelry. I have a few earrings here that I want to place in the can. I have a necklace that I want to put in there and kind of sit it wherever you want it. I have some bracelets that I would like to sit in this can. I mean, this is perfect. I cannot think of a better way to store these bracelets. And then my earrings are there, and here are my bracelets. Everything's sitting nicely. I have another bracelet that I like to place in here, and these little sections in the inner part of the can makes it perfect to keep your jewelry separated. Earrings here. I have another bracelet that I'd like to put in here. Another pair of earrings. Yeah, I'm loading it up. And I have another bracelet. This is one of my favorite silver bracelets. I'd like to sit that there. And I know what you're probably thinking. It's all gonna move around as soon as you close the lid. Well, that's what this part is for. Remember, whenever you purchase your candy, it always has that paper that sits on top of the candy. That keeps it from moving around. So let's test it out. All right, so I'm putting the paper on top. And I'm going to close the lid. Oh, now we're gonna shake it around, move it upside down, all of that stuff. Let's see what the jewelry looks like. Fingers crossed. Guess what? Nothing moved. Everything is still in place. So this is a great way to store your jewelry. I am just so excited about this can. I am, because it is beautiful. I wouldn't dare throw this away. So let me know what you think. I like it, and I think it can sit in your closet, on your dresser. It's a beautiful color. Red is one of the colors in my color scheme in my home. This will sit nicely even here on this counter. Y'all, this is a great hack. I want you to go and try it out. I like this idea. Come on, y'all. So if you like one thing about this, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure your subscription is not private. Otherwise, I can't see your name, and I can't give you a shout out if I can't see your name. So with that said, y'all have a good jewelry day. Bye now.
Because of the convenient closure on this jewelry hacked can, it is great for carrying jewelry when you are traveling. Enjoy!